Hindi sila nagsisinungaling nung sinabi nilang good vibes talaga.
Yes.
Nag-iba yung environment ng studio eh. Bakit kayo sumali ng PGT?
Matagal na po yung banda namin. It's almost 17 years. Pakiramdam po kasi namin, ito na yung big break namin.
Actually, rare din yung banda sa PGT eh, no? And I think it's because it's hard to pull off a band performance here na walang kakaibang dating din. Kasi kayo, iba yung flavor nyo eh. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Nakita mo naman, sumasayaw kami dito, lahat.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Ginisig niyo ako eh. Ginulat niyo kami. At pinasaya. Oh. So I like your performance. Maganda.
Thank you po.
Sa look pa lang, kuhang-kuha nyo na kami. Diba? Pag nakita kayo, ganyan-ganyan ang Pilipino, masayahin, at talagang talented. Kayo yun.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Hindi naman talaga yung eme-eme, yung performance na yun. And you said you joined PGT because gusto nyo, feeling nyo time nyo na at gusto nyo makilala. And I think sobrang good decision yun. Kasi kahit ano mangyari, lahat na makakapanood sa inyo, even ako, kayo yung unang may isip ko kapag meron akong event or anything. Confident ako na itong band na to, lahat ng guests ko, uuwi ng masayang-masaya dahil ganun kayo. I had a great time watching you. Ginising niyo kami lahat. Good job, you guys.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Bitin na.
Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa!
Hello. Medyo nabitin kami dito, pati audience, no? Meron pa ba kayong isang kanta na pwedeng tugtugin?
FMJ, ano pong order nyo?
Maraming salamat po. Meron lang po kaming gustong pajamingin sa amin. Si Sir Donnie, pwede ba namin makajam? Donnie! Sir Donnie! Sir, anong song po yung...
Let's go, Donnie!
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance?
Si Donnie na nag-audition.
At the right place at the right time. Two roads intertwine. Ready? Close your eyes. Cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe.
Salamat, Tol. Salamat. Thank you. Napasalang pa.
Good job, Donnie!
Ito to be honest, nung pumasok kayo, akala ko joke time na hindi nila siseryosohin. But I was wrong. So start ko na. It's a yes.
Salamat po.
Olaya Panit, thank you for the fun. You really are talented. See you again. It's a yes.
Thank you for your energy. So it's a yes for me as well.
Hindi ko na ibibitin. It's a big yes.
Thank you so much po.
You have 4 yeses, guys. Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Basta kayo sa next round. Galingan nyo.
Alam nyo, may kulang na lang kanina.
Ano?
Alak. Muntik na magkakaroon ng bar, PGT bar.
Oo nga.
Congratulations.